Hello, this is Sam, and I'm here to show you how to make a brush or a sticker from any photo that you choose. Alright, so you want to choose the quick selection tool and drag it around your image or what you want to select. And if you want to deselect, use the Alt key to bring it inside to crop your image to make it look better than it already is at the moment. This looks good right now. So what you want to do is edit, define brush from selection, and give it a funny name, or Wallace. Wallace is cool. Alright, so we have that now. We have the Wallace is cool. You're gonna go to new, blank file, we're gonna test this brush out. Alright, you wanna go from where you were. I was at default brushes. Wherever you are on your brushes, it will be at the bottom. See? Here is our sticker. You can go down here and make it any color you want, like a blue Wallace. If you want a red Wallace, go for it. Go get a red one. There you go. There's a red one. And that's the video for y'all. See y'all in the next one. Bye.